If I had to start from zero today, no audience, no product, no money, here's exactly how I would make my first £1,000 using AI in 2026. Not random tools, not hype, a real plan that actually scales. And if you stay until the end, I will show you the one mistake that keeps most people stuck at $0. Welcome back. On this channel, we don't just talk about AI tools, we talk about how to turn AI into income, because tools don't make money, skills and systems do. So let's build a system. The biggest mistake beginners make is they try to learn everything. Instead of trying to learn everything, choose one monetizable AI skill. For example, you can choose how to do AI content repurposing. You can choose AI digital product creation, AI research, AI photo shoot, AI product photo shoot, AI UGC content, AI automation for small businesses. Don't do a lot of skills. Just pick one particular skill that you know people would need out there and you're going to be good at. Next, you're going to spend 14 days to master how you can use that skill to make money. That's how you can sell it. You don't have to be expert. You just have to have that skill that is useful to someone else. Start with selling your skill as a service. That is, after learning that particular one skill, sell it as a service first. Why? Because services would validate demand. So for example, if I were to learn AI content repurposing, I would offer turning long form videos into 30 days of content using AI. Now I am solving someone else's problem. I can charge about $150 to $300 per client, and I would only need 4 to 7 clients to have $1,000. Simple mathematics. Do you see how that is? Let AI work for you. Use AI to your advantage. Use it to reduce the time that you actually use to work on tasks. Use ChatGPT for your research, Canva for your product creation. Use Notion or Trello to organize your systems. AI should replace your time, but it shouldn't replace your thinking. If it takes you 6 hours to work on a task manually, use AI to reduce it to 2 hours, and that would increase your profit margin. Now, after you've worked with about 5 to 10 clients, the next thing you need to understand is their struggles, their objections, and their desired outcomes. That is when you can step in with a digital product to help them. So for example, you can do template bundles, system guide, mini course. Instead of just trading time for money, sell the system. That is how you move from making 1,000 to about 10,000 and above. While doing all of this, also document your journey on YouTube, not just motivational content. Make them strategic breakdowns. Things like what I learned after my first 3 AI clients, how I priced my AI service, mistakes I made selling AI skills. This kind of content would also push you to the right kind of people that would need your service. It will also make you an authority in your niche, and not just that, you can also monetize on YouTube to make extra money. You see, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Authority grows when your transparency increases. Here is the biggest mistake people, when trying to make money with AI, are doing. They obsess over tools. Which AI tool is trending? Which AI tool pays the most? Which AI tool should I learn first? That's the wrong focus. Tools are leverage, but leverage would only work if there's a pressure behind it. And pressure comes from solving a real problem. So let me explain it this way. When someone pays you, they are not paying for AI. They are paying for more time, more money, more clarity, and less stress. AI is just the vehicle and tool. The real value is the outcome. So for example, no business owner would wake up thinking, oh, I hope someone uses ChatGPT for me today. No, they are going to wake up thinking, I need more leads, I need better content, I need more sales, I need better ads. If you focus on tools, you will compete with everybody. But if you focus on problems, you become necessary, and necessary is what will get you paid. So instead of asking, what AI tool should I learn? Ask, what painful, expensive problem can I solve faster with using AI? That shift alone is what will separate you from being an hobbyist to being an earner. If you are serious about turning AI into income, start with one skill, build one offer, sell it, and then systemize it to make recurring income. If this helped you think differently, click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, because on this channel, we build income with intelligence. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.